we supposed to go?
It's this way.
Oh no, we're lost. Look here, it's a cupcake house. Maybe there's somebody here that can help us.
Maybe they have a snack. I'm getting hungry.
I'm not going first. Drago, you go first.
Al was the first one to find it, Perry. He should knock first.
Drago, you're the one that said to take a left instead of a right. You go first.
All right. I'll go first, but I get first dibs on any tasty treats.
All right then, we'll be right behind you.
What? What is this?
I knew we shouldn't have come in here.
I think I hear something. Oh no.
We're gonna get eaten.
It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Oh, hey kids. Hey, I was curious. Do you want to bake some cupcakes today with me? I definitely could use a helping hand because I have short arms. It's so silly. Oh gosh. All right, so where did I put all my ingredients? I think I put some of them down here. I always have a hard time reaching the stuff underneath the shelf. Guys, act like you haven't seen a terrific Tyrannosaur like me.
Huh?
So we'll need a plastic bowl to mix all of our ingredients in. And next we're going to get our cupcake pan. And the last things we'll need is a whisk and a spoon. And now we'll start with our cake mix. Whammo! OMG, I got flour everywhere. I made a huge mess. Well, after we get done cleaning all this up, we'll start adding the rest of our ingredients. Our second ingredient is water. And third will be our egg whites. And lastly, our fourth ingredient is oil. Well, this next part's a little whiskey. Get it? Whisk? All right, well, we're going to use our whisk to mix all of our ingredients together. We got to mix it really good, so we got to mix. All right, now we've completed our cupcake batter.
That looks really good. Can I taste some of that?
You never touch a baker's batter, even though it looks so creamy and delicious. Okay, now we're ready to transfer our batter over to our cupcake pan. But there are a couple of things we need to do first. Let's start off with our cupcake pan. And then we gotta take our cupcake liners and place them in each and every single hole so our cupcakes don't stick. Now we can start portioning our batter, and we gotta make sure we measure it well so we make the perfect cupcakes. A little dab here, and a little dab here. And last one. Now we place the cupcakes in the oven just like so. Oh, can't reach. Oh, get in there. Come on. All right. I got them in. Now make sure your parents help you because an oven can be very hot and dangerous. Now while those are in the oven, we can mix our frosting. And for our frosting today, I wanted to experiment with some tertiary colors. What that means is it's a mix of a primary color and a secondary color. And I will show you exactly what I mean. And for our first frosting, we'll use yellow, which is a primary color. And do you know what color makes green?
Ooh, yellow and blue.
Yes, and that makes green a secondary color. Now let's mix them together and see what we get. Here's my favorite part. Mixy, mixy, mix, mix, mixy, mixy, mix. Mixy, mixy, mix, mix, mixy, mixy, mix. Now we have yellow plus green combined makes chartreuse. Now let's see what we get when we mix green with blue. Ooh, I'm curious what color this will make. Now we have our mixing bowl. And then we throw in our color blue. And now we squish in our green. And we mix it all together. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. Mixy, mix, 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 mix. Now green plus blue combine to make teal. Now we'll keep our blue. And can you tell me what colors make up purple?
Ooh, I know. Red and blue.
Yes, that's right. red and blue make purple. So we'll take our blue and we'll mix in a little bit of purple. I'm mixing so much, I'm gonna pretend I'm a blender. I gotta add more purple. Oh, this is tiring. All right, so blue plus purple make violet. So we'll keep the secondary color of purple and mix it with its other primary color, which was red. Making colors is so exciting. Ooh, it's a little bit of purple. Now add a little red. And mixy, mix.
Oh, that looks really pretty.
This is my favoriteest color.
And it looks so tasty. Oh, it's so hard not to lick the spoon. Ooh. And purple plus red combined make magenta. For our next frosting, we're going to mix yellow with orange. What colors make up orange?
It's red and yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah, that's correct. And orange is one of my favorite colors. Just a little dabby, a little dabba of orange. Mixing time again. All right, now yellow plus orange combined to make amber. All right, now it's time for our last color. We'll keep the orange and we'll add its other primary color, red. I wonder what this color will be. Well, here's the orange. Ooh, these frostings are starting to get a little sticky. Oh, I gotta get it off the spoon. All right, now we'll add our red and mix it all together. Mixity mix, mixity mix, mixity mix. Now orange plus red combine to make vermilion. All right, dinos, now our cupcakes are all finished and frosted. First is chartreuse. Second is teal. Third is the lovely shade of violet. And fourth is magenta. And fifth, we have vermilion. And lastly, our sixth one, which is amber. Look at these beautiful tertiary colors that we made. All these are combinations of primaries and secondary colors. Now we're not quite done. We have one more step. We have to add the sprinkles. For chartreuse, we'll use yellow and green sprinkles. For teal, we'll use the green and the blue. Shake, 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 shake. For violet, we'll use the blue and some purple sprinkles. Ooh, they look so tasty. For magenta, we'll use the purple and the red sprinkles. Next, for vermilion, we'll use the red and some orange sprinkles. And let's not forget our last color, amber, which is orange and yellow. Yummy, yummy, yummy cupcakes in my tummy. I'm so excited. They look so amazing. Are you guys excited to try one?
Yeah.
For being such great helpers today, you each can get one cupcake for yourself. Hey you, the yellow one with the mohawk.
I'm Drago. I'm a sickle dragon.
Oh, yeah, Drago, yeah. Since I yelled at you earlier, which I didn't mean to, I'm sorry. You can have the first pick.
Okay, I picked this one.
Ooh, the violet one, eh? That's a great choice. All right, enjoy.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum.
And chartreuse for the Allosaur.
That's my pick. I can't wait. Yum, 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 yum. It's so sweet and delicious. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
I have frosting in my eyes.
Yep, I got some way up my nose.
Do I get one too, Mr. T-Rex?
All right, Parasaurolophus, you can have the amber one.
thank you. Yummy. That's delicious.
My oh my, you guys have messy faces. Well, I'm just feeling a little jealous of that. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to join this party. This is the best part of baking.
Oh, this is brilliant. No, next is magenta. Oh, nom, nom. Oh, no. Oh, nom, 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 nom. These are so yummy and delicious. And I'll just teal.
What would you guys think? Was this pretty good?
It was very nice of you to share your cupcakes with us, T-Rex.
They were delicious, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much. That was a wonderful treat.
You're welcome, and thank you for visiting my cupcake bakery. Now thanks for watching Vovo Ray Craft and Play. See you next time. Bye. Wait, guys, I think you're going the wrong way.
I think we're supposed to go this way. Here, watch out, Perry.
You're on my
Turn that
toes.
way. Here, go that way. We're gonna get lost again.